Hey, what's up? How are you? I've got with me this somewhat new Alcatel A7 device that runs on Android Nougat. I'm just giving this a try. I got it a couple of days ago. I've been playing around with it. I just wanted to let you know what I think about it. So let's have a bit of an inside look. Right, first off, one of the things that I noticed is it's really kind of lightweight, slim, fairly slim design. Compared to some of the other Alcatels in this range, in the A7, A5, I had the A5 earlier than that. This is less plasticky. It does have this kind of gold thing happening at the back, which gives it a bit of a premium look. And I think the finish is kind of better. The glass here is it's not Corning Gorilla Glass. It's I think it's called Dragon Trail glass, which is very similar, and it's kind of shockproof, shatterproof, which is good compared to some of the new phones coming out. This is a 5.5-inch screen phone, so you've got plenty of real estate up front over here. It does have a touch sensor, which I don't mind. I like it. I think it's kind of nice, and I wish the new iPhones, for example, had something like that, because the fingerprint sensor was one of the things that I liked on some of the previous iterations of the iPhone. As far as processing is concerned, this does run on MediaTek processors, so it's not super fast. I would expect my Android device, especially a top-end Android device. I would expect my Android device, in particular a top-end Android device, to be a little more faster than this is. I think the processing is okay. Image processing is a bit slow. The A7 is designed pretty well. I think it's got a pretty nice finish, especially at the back. It's got this tempered finish, which I kind of like. It runs on Android Nougat. I'm still not sure what my opinion on that update is compared to Marshmallow before that. I'm not seeing that much of a difference. It's got the standard USB charger, which means charging is kind of slow, but I have felt that the battery life on this is not bad at all. The battery life is actually quite stellar. It stays up for most part of the day. It's got a 16 megapixel camera. It does have a better resolution than a lot of other premium phones. It's got an f2.0 aperture, which allows more light, of course, and allows for HDR and image stabilization and everything. Look, overall, I think for the price that you're paying, which is about 800 dirhams, $799, the phone's definitely got appeal, especially because of its price point. Under 1,000 dirhams nowadays is a very good price, and the size, the kind of screen real estate that you're getting, which is a 5.5 full HD display, what you get is a pretty good solid phone.